Hello, and welcome to the eBiz Autos Control Panel Basics video series. In this video, we will be discussing pricing. The control panel has a variety of options to control and display the pricing of your inventory. In this video, we'll be discussing altering prices for different vehicles and how to change the way that the pricing is displayed on the website. To get to the Pricing Manager, first click on Tools in the upper left to get to Inventory. From here, click on the Pricing tab. Here, we can change the prices for all vehicles in the inventory. We can enter the higher price and/or the lower price. We can also choose to display a payment. If we choose to display a payment, a menu to set the default terms of the loan appears. After changing any item on the form, click Calculate Payments to update the payment. When done, choose Save Payments. Checking this box will display this payment both in the search results page and the vehicle detail page. If there are daily FTP imports for your account that update the inventory, it's likely that they contain pricing information as well. If you would like to prevent these imports from changing the prices of certain cars, you can lock them with the padlocks to the left of each price. This will only allow pricing changes to be made in the control panel. If you use an API-based pricing solution like vAuto, this will allow the prices to be changed through that service and not imports. The way that prices are displayed can be customized for your website. To view the available settings, click on Settings in the upper right of the screen, and then click Pricing Display Settings. In Section 1, Manager Settings, we can choose whether or not to display the high and low prices for new and used vehicles. Prices can also be given a custom display name. If neither price is available, a message can be displayed asking for a call to the dealership. Checking this box will only display a strike-through if both prices are available. If either price is missing, the price will be displayed normally. Section 2 allows you to choose how pricing is displayed in the gallery. New and used cars can be set independently. The options available are Pricing and Payment, Payment and Pricing, Pricing Only, Payment Only, High Price and Phone Number, Low Price and Phone Number, Payment and Phone Number, Highlight Low Price, High Price and Savings, High Price, Low Price and Highlight Savings, High Price Savings and Highlight Low Price, or Please Call for Price. Tracking dealer costs can be enabled with this menu. This allows for a new field to appear under Step 2 of the Vehicle Presentation Builder, in Vehicle Cost, and in the Pricing tab. Dealer cost is never displayed in the gallery. The Third-Party Value section allows for pricing from third-party sources such as Kelley Blue Book and NADA, as well as their logo to be displayed for each vehicle. These values would need to be manually entered in Step 2. For KBB values, a calculator can be set up to automatically find the accurate retail and wholesale values. If you'd like to activate this feature, please contact an eBiz Auto support representative. If destination fees need to be accounted for, you can enable them here. In this video, we covered how to change the prices of the vehicles in our inventory. We also covered how to change how those prices are displayed. If you have questions about this topic or any other topic, please feel free to contact support at 1-800-987-3249 or by email at support@ebizautos.com. Thank you.